we can also create a website in MailerLite. So when we want to create a website, you can just come in over to the website tab, and to create a new website, all you need to do is just to click on create, and then it is going to ask you for the name of the website. So we are just going to name this CRM instructors website or consulting. Then you click on save and continue, and that is going to ask you also where you want this people from the website coming in from this website, where you want them to go to, the group you want them to go to. Then you can then pick whatever group you currently have, or you can create a new one, and then when you click on continue, it is going to take you to the page where you can choose a template also. But since we are on the free plan, we cannot choose a template. We have to start from scratch. We can also build with AI, but that is also coming soon. And let's start from scratch and let's see how that is going to look like. So when you click on create, it is going to take you to the editor page where you can be able to edit your website. So now for our website, as you can see, we have different things we can do on our website. So this is a website, and then you can add in you can edit this however you want. And as you can see, this is our navigation. So you can see the current page you currently are in. So we have different pages, like this is the about us page. You can also go ahead and edit this. You can change this however you want. You can also add in different blocks into this page. You can add in the text block, you can add in the divider block. If you want to add in testimonials with star rating, you can also do that inside of your website. You can add in the 2 column, the 3 column. You can add in buttons. You can add in columns, maybe 3 columns or 2 columns. You can add in image carousel. After that, you can also add in form. If you want to add in the sign up form or the contact us form, you can add in whatever form you want to add in here. You can add in survey. You can add in quiz. You can add in countdown. Maybe if you are creating a countdown for a particular event, all you need to do is just to bring in the countdown here, and you can set the time and the date for the countdown. So you can say the number of days you want for this countdown, and you can also say the number of hours you want to use. You can set the countdown, and you can say the expiration days of the countdown. So if you want this countdown to expire maybe by the end of this month or by next month, you can set that particular date, and when you're done, you just click on save setting, and that is going to set your countdown. You can also add in a table. You can add in HTML code. You can add in an anchor, and the anchor will just allow you to be able to move what's it called, to place different section, and there is an anchor between the landing pages so that a button can link to that anchor section or whatever it is you want to do. You can add in products. If you've connected your maybe you've connected your e-commerce store, you can add in the products also. And for the pages, we have 3 pages, which the first one is the intro page. And for the intro page, it is going to take you to the intro page. You can also name it whatever you want to name this. So instead of saying intro, you can say maybe home page, and when you add that in, you can also save that. If you want to hide it from the navigation, you can also do that, and that means it is not going to show up in this part, in this menu. But if you want it to show up, you can just undo this, and you can make it show up. You can also use password protection, but we need a paid plan for that. And you can, when you're done, you just click on save, and when you click on save, you can also move to the next page and do the same thing and edit that. And the next page is the contact us page, and the contact us page, you can also edit that however you want. So for this, we can also create a new page, and we can say that we want to create a new page or want to use blog, or maybe want to use an external link. You can also add in an external link for this particular page. So we can say that I want to add in a page name, and we want this page of this particular website to lead to another link outside of this website that we are creating. And when you've added in that link, let me look for a random link on the website. Let's say we want to name this page get started, and we want this get started to link to an external link. Then we can add in the link here, and this link here is going to get opened whenever this get started menu is clicked on. So now we can then click on save, and we can open this page in a new tab if you want, and you can also click on save. And as you can see, get started has been added in. Okay, So for contacts, we are going to make sure it is not hiding from the navigation. We want to see it in the navigation. Then we can click on save, and we can also decide that this intro is going to be our home page. It is already marked as home page. You just click on save. So if you want to use any other page apart from this as the home page, so you can click on the button and you can click on set as home page. So when you click on set as home page, that is going to make this page to be the home page instead of the intro page. So when you are done, you click on save, and when you click on save, that has been saved. So before you publish your website, you can preview the website just to see how it is going to look like for to the external subscribers or to the external people that are viewing your website. So as you can see, we have this intro here, and yeah, my get started is not showing. Let me go back. Okay, so you can preview the website. You can check the intro page, you can check the about us page just to see how everything is looking like before you publish the website. When you are sure that all of the fields are working, the content is okay, then you can click on save and publish. And when you click on save and publish, that is going to lead you to this page where you can publish your site. So now, as you can see, we have this URL. You can also decide to edit this URL if you want, and you can also add in a custom domain, but you need to have a paid plan for you to do that. You can add in a favicon, and let's say we want to use our image as this favicon, so let's choose this. And we can also add the page title, the page keyword. You can use the sitemap, whatever it is you want to add in, you can add in that. And when you're done, you can just click on save and continue. Okay. So when you click on save and continue, as you can see, the website has been published, and you can edit the design to go back to check in for the edits. You can check the analytics, you can check in the survey report, you can create an automation for this website. And when you want to unpublish this page, you can just click on unpublish. You can also turn off the double opt-in if that works for you, and you can edit the particular group that these emails or the contacts are going to be coming into, and you can see all of the things you've done, all of the things that are empty, all of the things that you filled in. And you can also edit this setting to go back to fill in all of this. And when you copy this website link, you can then paste it in your new tab, and you can also see how that is going to look like. And this is our website. It is showing us the contact page and the about us page, and you can also check it to look at how it's going to look like to you before you send it out to your contact list. Okay, so that is all about websites. And remember that landing pages are different from websites in MailerLite. They are actually very similar, but they are actually different. So if you're watching this and you're thinking this is actually very helpful, but you are thinking that you need a lot more help than this, yeah, you are in the right spot. You can book a free discovery call with the link in the description below, and we are going to help you with whatever you need with your MailerLite account. So whether it is you auditing your MailerLite account, or you developing an email strategy for your business, or email optimization for your business, whatever it is you need or whatever help you need in your MailerLite account, we are going to help you with that. So all you need to do is just to click on the link in the description below, and you can book your free discovery call. And also, do not forget to like this video and also share with everyone who you think might need this video, and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we post an amazing content like this. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.